So how do you do it? How do you communicate with your child when the clash is just too big? It's so difficult. So I want to tell you, one day my father-in-law went to visit the Lubavitcher Rebbe, and he asked him, I don't understand, why does Maimonides say that you have to hire somebody to teach your child? Why can't you teach him yourself? And the Rebbe answered two answers. He said, number one, as a parent, when a parent teaches a child, he is very impatient and demanding. And when the child learns from a parent, he wants to succeed and stresses himself and will not be able to produce and perform properly. So what do? You get a third party involved that is like a buffer, which is going to give that space for the child to grow. If you want your child to grow, make sure to be in contact with a mentor. Somebody which will talk to him in order for you to know what his needs are, and in order for you to change, and in order for you to be able to guide him through someone else. If your purpose is to educate, then sometimes you have to get out of the picture.